Fun Phoebe and Penelope.
Hi friends, welcome to Fun with Phoebe and Penelope. Today we're gonna do a sink or float experiment, and we're gonna see if some of these items sink or some of these items float.
Woohoo! All right, who's gonna go first?
Me.
Oh, okay.
Phoebe's gonna go first with her. What are you gonna do first?
Egg.
It's an egg? Woo! It's a real egg?
I wonder if
That's a
it's
real
gonna
egg.
change colors in the water.
Oh, yeah. No, I don't think it'll crack in the water, but we're just gonna
We're
drop it
gonna-
in.
Like change colors.
Oh, maybe, because it's white.
Okay, we're gonna start with the egg. Do you think it's gonna sink or do you think it's gonna float?
I think it's gonna float.
Float?
Okay. What do you think, Penelope?
What do you think, Pen?
Sink.
Sink?
Sink?
Okay, let's check it out. Woo! It hit the rock bottom hard.
Oh yeah, that one sunk for
you
sure.
You got 1 point, Penelope. It sank. Whoa! All right, Penelope, your
Penelope,
turn.
what are you gonna do?
My Lego.
Oh, you're Lego girl.
Let me see it. Let me see. Ooh, she is a Lego girl, huh?
Do you think it's gonna sink or do you think it's gonna float?
I think it's gonna float.
What do you think, Penelope?
I think it's gonna float.
Float? And she's floating.
Floating!
2 points for Penny.
Oh, Penny got 2 points. Phoebe gets 1 point. All right. Okay. All right. All right. Phoebe's got 1 point. Penelope's got 2 points. And Phoebe, you're up
It's your
next.
turn. What are we gonna do?
A battery.
A battery? Okay, before you put it in, sink or float.
Don't put it in the battery. I think it's gonna sink.
Okay, sink. Phoebe
What do you
says
think,
sink.
Penelope?
What do you think, Penelope? Sink. Okay, let's check it out. Go for it. Ah, that thing hit
definitely
rock bottom.
sunk.
That thing
sunk
sank.
fast.
Okay.
Filled with like helium. Yeah, thank you.
No.
It's just solid. That's
It's
what.
a solid.
Okay. That is 2
Each
for
point.
Phoebe.
And I got 3.
No, yep, and you got 3. You're right. Daddy's was bad at scoring. Okay, Penelope, you're next.
What are you gonna put in, Pen?
The spoon.
So Penny, do you think that one's going to sink or float?
Sink.
What do you think,
Okay,
Phoebe?
Sink.
All right.
Sink. Drop
Let's
it in.
Check it out.
Whoa, that's
Whoa,
a big
that thing
splash.
sank. That's a solid metal, so it sank, huh?
Okay, everybody gets a point.
All right. So what's the score?
Penelope 4 and Phoebe 3.
Whoa. Okay. Next.
Okay, Phoebe, what do you want to do?
This
Oh,
Care Bear squishy.
Let me see that squishy. Oh, it is squishy. Okay, what do we think, girls?
I think it's gonna float.
You think it's gonna float?
Yeah, I think it's gonna float.
You think it's gonna float? Okay, let's go for it.
Oh, it floated. It dropped down a little bit.
Because
but
it's
floating.
filled with water too.
Yes.
And
yes,
air, yeah.
And air, so it's kind of fluffy. So fluffy things float, huh? It's lighter than the water. Okay, Penelope.
What are you gonna drop? in?
Penelope's got 5 points.
Okay.
Phoebe's got 4.
What? Okay, let's go for it.
Oh.
Who's that?
Are you gonna do the car?
Oh, a Hot Wheels?
A Hot Wheels truck.
Oh, Penelope, what do we think? Before
I
you
think
put
it's
it
gonna
in.
Sink.
Don't put it
Sink?
in yet.
What do you
Don't
think,
put it in
Phoebe?
yet.
I
Phoebe?
think it's gonna sink.
Okay.
Sink? Okay,
Let's see.
check.
Yes.
That sank
Yes.
really hard, like a rock. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, the battery was kind of like the rock too.
Yeah. Okay.
6 to 5.
Okay, Penny.
Phoebe, what do you want to drop in?
I'm gonna drop in this LOL doll.
Ooh.
Let me see that LOL dar. Okay. Ooh, that's a good one.
What do
huh?
you think?
What do you think, girls?
Oh, that's a good one.
Do you think it's gonna sink or float?
Float!
Float?
What do you think,
Okay,
Phoebe?
Float.
Float?
Float? Let's
Okay,
see.
let's see.
I
You
think sink.
You think
Okay,
sink?
so Penelope is float and Phoebe is sink.
Okay,
let's see.
Oh,
It's
she floated.
floating.
Her head is filled with air.
It's because of, if it was just her body,
Yep.
she probably would have sunk.
Her head is like a little raft
Maybe next time we'll just try her
filled with
body.
air.
Okay, so Phoebe's got 5 and Penny has 7.
What?
I almost got 10.
That's okay. All right.
Hey, Penelope, what are you gonna drop in?
Penelope.
The
Oh, a lizard. Oh, that. Let me see that lizard. Let me see it close up. Oh my gosh, that's a ferocious lizard. Oh my
It's hanging
goodness.
on your finger.
Oh my goodness. Okay, let's see. Let's put him
Okay,
in.
now what do we think?
I
What do
think
we
it's
think?
gonna float, definitely.
Float?
I think he's gonna float.
Okay,
Okay.
let's see.
Yeah.
He's a floating
He's
upside
floating,
down, but he's
like
floating.
like an upside down lizard. for
And he
sure.
matches the water.
He's floating.
That means he's. That means he's.
Lighter than the water, huh? The water is holding him up. All right.
Okay, we got more scores. 6 to 8.
Okay.
I'm gonna do this little poppy troll.
Poppy.
Poppy troll. Is it hollow or is it solid? Is there any? It's solid. You can't squish
Solid.
it.
Okay.
Okay. So do you think it's gonna sink or float?
No.
Okay.
Float?
No,
Penelope.
sink.
Sink.
Okay.
Penelope, what do you think?
Penelope.
Float.
Okay.
Float.
Let's see.
Oh, hold on. What
I
was
think it's gonna
What
sink.
was the answer? Sink.
Sink.
Both of you
Okay.
think it's
No,
gonna sink?
I think it's gonna float.
You think it's gonna float?
Okay, we
Yeah.
got one floater and one sinker.
Okay.
3, 2,
let's see.
1.
Oh, Phoebe!
Floated!
You're catching up. It's floating. Okay. Let's see. What's the score?
It's getting close. Penelope has 8 and Phoebe has 7.
Okay. All right. Next one, Penelope, is your turn. What are we doing?
My banana.
You got a banana? Okay. Let's.
Is it gonna sink or
What
is
do
it
we
gonna
think?
float?
What do we think? What do we
I
think?
think it's gonna float. Float.
You think it's gonna float?
I'm gonna float too.
Okay, drop it in.
It's floating!
Wow!
Wow!
I thought that one was
it
gonna
sank
sink.
and then it came right back
Yeah.
up.
Yeah.
Oh, it tried to trick us, didn't it? Wow!
That one surprised
It's
me. That one I thought
floating.
was gonna sink,
It's
girls.
floating. Woo!
It's 9 to 8.
Let me see the score. 9 to 8. Ooh, what a close game. Okay,
Okay,
next.
Phoebe, what are you gonna drop
Phoebe.
in next?
This is gonna sink.
That car.
Float?
Okay.
You think that's
You think it's gonna sink? Hold
It's
on,
a
hold on.
Bumper car.
I think it's gonna float.
It's a bumper car. You
Okay,
think
so-
it's gonna float? You think it's gonna sink, Phoebes?
I think it's gonna float.
Okay, let's see.
Let's drop it in.
It floats.
Floating. Hold on.
It's gonna sink.
Is it sinking like a ship? Hold on.
Is it filling with water and then gonna sink? I don't know. It's going down a
you
little
think
bit
it's
more.
filling with water? We can't score that one yet. Okay,
Yeah.
let's go on to the next
We're
one.
gonna go on to the next one.
We'll come back to that one. That one's not a scoreable one.
That's a tie.
At the end, we will get the score on that one, okay? It might be the tiebreaker, okay?
Bumper car. Question.
Question mark. All right. Penelope, who's the next victim? Is that Bubba Fett from Star Wars, my favorite character? It looks like it.
Is he gonna
It
sink
looks
or
like
float?
It looks like
I
Bubba
think
Fett.
he's gonna float.
You think it's gonna float? Hold on, don't put him in yet.
I think he's gonna
Hold on.
sink.
Sink is.
Oh!
Oh!
Bottom.
Did we tie it? Did we tie it?
Yes.
He sank to the
I
bottom.
think we did.
Oh boy, it's a tie game, girls.
9 to 9.
9 to 9, and then we have one that we're still deciding
undecided.
on. Undecided. Hold on, is that the last one?
No, we have 2 more.
Two
one
more.
for each.
Okay, Phoebe.
What is yours?
Mine is a little ice cream cone.
Oh, it's a toy ice
A
cream
toy
cone.
ice cream cone. Sink or float?
Okay, sink or float before you drop it in.
Hold on, Penny.
Float.
Don't
No,
drop
I'm
it.
gonna open this because there's slime in it.
Okay,
Sink
do you
or
think
float?
this is gonna sink
Penny.
or float?
Float.
The cone.
Okay.
Okay, float. And then Phoebe?
Float.
Float?
Float.
Okay.
Sink.
Sink?
Sink and a float.
Okay.
It's gonna sink soon.
I don't know. I think that one's a floater.
That's a float. That's a float. Okay, who said float? Phoebe?
Me!
Penny? You
Penny.
said float? Okay, that's a floater.
10
All right.
to 9.
10 to 9.
Dun, dun, dun.
Okay, Penny, what do
Tie
you
it
have?
up here.
I have this.
Let me see.
A hollow ball.
Hollow ball?
Is there any
Okay.
hole? Okay.
There's is holes.
There's holes in it.
Okay, hold on. Phoebe, what do you think?
I think it's gonna float.
And what do you
Float.
think? Float?
You think there's gonna float, both of you all? Okay, both of you
Let's
two
see.
think it's gonna float.
Oh, that's a floating.
Oh, that's a floating ball, like a beach ball almost. Yep, that's a floater.
Yay!
Okay, it's
hold on.
11 to 10.
Hold on. Oh, look at this one. Hold
It's
on.
dangling more.
It's dangling.
What?
Just look at the little bumper car.
It's sink. You're trying to cheat, Dad. Yeah,
I don't know. I think that one's gonna be a floater.
It's a floater. Daddy tried to poke it down. It's still
To
floating.
see if any more water
So
got
it's
in
a
it.
floater. So okay. So we gotta give that one to Penelope, right?
Yep.
All right. So what's the final score?
Final tally is 10 to 12.
10 to 12. All right. Penelope wins this game.
Yeah. Let's
All
see
right,
if
girls.
Phoebe can come back next time and take the championship.
Yes. That was incredible competition and very, very competitive.
Good
Okay.
job.
So we're gonna wave bye and say thank you for watching.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank
Thanks
you
for
for
watching.
watching.
All right.